Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome to this week's maths learning. I hope you had a fantastic half term. This week in maths we are going to be looking at subtraction. Before half term we were looking at adding, and this week we are going to be looking at subtracting. Here we have the subtraction symbol which we are going to be using in our number sentences this week. You may have heard of subtraction as taking away or minus, and we're going to be looking at what that looks like today. To help you with your learning, in front of you you will need the superhero towers which came with this week's home learning. You also need 5 objects, so these can be small objects. You might have little toys you want to use, you might have a little piece of pasta or stones or shells, or you can cut out the superheroes that we sent home with the home learning. So you might need to pause the video for a moment to go and get those things, and then resume when you're ready to carry on. I'm going to tell you some stories today, some subtraction number stories. And as I'm telling them, I want you to move your objects with me. So there were some superheroes, and 3 of the superheroes got a call to say that they were needed to land on the building. So I'm going to take 3 superheroes and put them on the building. Once the superheroes were there, one of the superheroes got another call and had to go on a mission elsewhere. So I'm going to take that superhero away because he's had to fly away to go and join somebody else. How many superheroes can you see are left on the building? There are 2. So we started with 3. So 3 superheroes were called to land on the building. One of those superheroes had to fly away, so I've had to subtract 1, and I was left with 2 equals 2. So my number sentence is 3, as I started with 3 superheroes, subtract 1, 1 flew away, equals 2. Let's say that number sentence together. 3, subtract 1 equals 2. One more time. 3, subtract 1 equals 2. Let's have a go at another one together. If you put your superheroes away so they're not on the building. This time 4 superheroes were called to go to the building. So take your 4 superheroes and you're going to put them on the building. So you don't need to look at this one for a moment. You're only looking at the 4 that you've got on the building. Out of the 4, 2 of them were needed to go on another mission. So what do we need to do? We now need to take 2 away. So 2 of the superheroes are going to fly away off the buildings. How many have you got left? We have got 2 left. So we started with, this time, we started with 4 superheroes. 2 flew away, so we subtracted 2, and we are left with 2. So our number sentence is 4, subtract 2 equals 2. We're going to have a go at one more together. So put your objects or superheroes back off the building and make sure you collect the ones that have flown away. This time 5 superheroes were needed to go to the buildings. So your 5 superheroes are objects to land on the building. Out of those 5, 4 of them were asked to go to help at another building. So 4 this time flew away, so you need to take 4 off your building. Oops. Take your 4 superheroes away. How many have you got left? I'm going to challenge you now to see if you can write that as a number sentence. So we started with 5 superheroes, 4 flew away, and you have 1 left. Let's have a go together now. So what did we start with? We started with 5. We subtracted, so took away 4 superheroes, and we still had 1 superhero left.